In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress Google Drive files. First, a quick heads up. The Google Drive mobile app doesn't include a built-in compress or zip button. On a phone, the practical approach is to download the files to your device, compress them with a file manager, and then upload the single zip back to Drive. That's exactly what we'll do with the Files by Google app, which is the standard file manager on many Android devices. Before we begin, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and enough free space to temporarily hold your downloads and the resulting zip. Start by launching the Google Drive app. Navigate to the files or folders you want to compress. To get them onto your phone, open the folder, then either tap the three dots next to a single file and choose Download, or long press to select multiple items and download them together. Large files can take some time, so using Wi-Fi helps avoid mobile data charges. If you see a storage warning, free up space before continuing. Once your items are on the device, open the Files by Google app. This is where you'll create the zip. Files by Google lists common locations such as downloads, internal storage, and your SD card. Most Drive downloads land in the Downloads folder, so head there. Find the files or folders you just downloaded and select what you want to compress. Long press the first item to enter selection mode, then tap additional items to include them. You can mix files and entire folders. Everything you select will be bundled into a single zip. With your item selected, tap the More icon, the three vertical dots, and choose Compress. The app will prompt you to name the archive. Give your zip a clear, short name without special characters so it's easy to find later, then tap Compress to start. The new zip is created in the same location as the originals. Keep in mind that some file types, like photos and videos, are already compressed, so the size reduction may be modest. Documents and text files usually compress more. Now upload the zip back to Google Drive. Switch to the Drive app, tap the plus button, choose Upload, and navigate to where the zip was saved, typically Downloads. Select the zip to begin the upload. If you prefer, you can also share the zip to Drive directly from Files by Google using the Share option and choosing Drive as the destination. Wait for the upload to complete, and you'll have a single, tidy archive in your Drive that's easy to store or share. That's it. Download, compress, and upload, all from your phone.